on our way to school.
Yeah, it's been a long time since we went to school.
What are we gonna do?
We're gonna learn how to weld. How to put two pieces of metal together using electrical sparks. I've always thought the sparks were bad, but
We will see what's happening.
food on it, plastic. Welding. Better?
Het gaat goed.
Kijk eens, je bent nu een laadvrouw.
Wat ik gedaan heb is, vanwege corona en de dinghy toch heel erg lang is, de cursus een beetje uit elkaar gehaald.
Is 13 graden, 15. Dus ergens tussen de 13 en 15 graden is ruim voldoende. Die steek je zo erin. Zo oppervlakkig dus maar. Even terugtrekken. Niet vast. Dan geef je eventjes 2 streepjes. Nog een paar shotjes. Nog een shotje. Een paar shotjes. Steek je over. Hup. Hup, volgende. Shit, zit ernaast in mijn vinger. Ik denk dat het niet handig is om het te leren hechten met prutsen met een draadje aan boord. Dus het handigste is, draadje weg, in de pluskoffer zit een apparaat. Dus hij heeft een jaar opgelopen, je hebt hem verdoofd, dan moet je soms een beetje knijpen, waar het bij elkaar staat. Ja. 25 graden, puntje daar, yes, en loslaten. Ja, top!
Hey Poopy,
Hi.
what are you making now?
Storage space.
For?
Sakkies and bags. Foils. And garbage baggies are made.
Yeah, garbage baggie. Also for in the toilet, in the head. Very nice.
How to get more solar pellets without building an arch.
And so what are you making?
So I'm making panels so we can put the solar panels in. We can zip it on each other. So I've got 6. It's gonna be a tent, so we've got shade and we've got solar power. Now I'm thinking about how to make the top. So because we will have some wires we have to go through. We have to make holes for the lazy jacks. We have to zip it together at some point. And we need to make a hem for buis, something.
Pipe.
Go through there. A lot of Velcro stuff probably. Like here. And does the Velcro hold it all together or not? Just puzzling.
That will be the test. How good is the Velcro?
Yeah. In windy conditions.
Yeah.
And what are you doing?
Making the connections from the new MPPTs into the main system. So I have to shut off the power so I don't get all kind of sparkies every time I'm connecting negatives and minuses and pluses and so.
Lights are working.
MPPTs are powered up.
Okay.
I forgot which one is which. Right now I just call them fore and aft.
Yeah.
So I don't know which one is which yet.
Making holes in the panel.
And now.
And the last one, Velcro on the solar panel. The rest are all outside, but it's getting waterproof.
Probably won't hear anything because of the hail in the background. It's loud out here.
I saw a flash. Was it you?
No.
Outside. Okay. Our new solar tents. Panels on. Connected. But now there's no sun anymore. The solar tent. Shade and power. At the same time. Testing 2 solar panels on the dinghy.
Take one.
Take one. Then we've got 4 left. On the boom. Or 3 on the Bimini.
Yeah.
Or when we're on our way. Paginator.
Hello.
Nice weather. City is opening up.
Yeah. Not a ghost town like the last time we did this. See people again. Zombie apocalypse is almost over.
The Keizersgracht.
Yeah. The Keizersgracht.
De Westerkerk.
Ja.
Monument. Veel bloemetjes. Michael. Hotel Nadia. Tegen de zon in.
Herrenkracht.
One in there. defending the kids.
Yeah, doing his man job, doing his dad job.
Hi, Dad. Especially for chills. Raw! Raw! Wait, Stad Amsterdam. En Amsterdam. Tiger! Rain Tiger! Last project before leaving. Gonna build a day tank.
Last words.
Day tank in. Extra filter.
It's open. It's going that way. So if I turn on this,
It should pump in the tank.
right, you should see it come here first.
Yay! It's filling up there.
Now I better make sure that this one over here is in the right way, so I'm going to stop it.
Yeah, I piss harder than that, but
It's working. Toen hadden we nog maar 5. We started with 6. 5 left over. Nice swanies.